In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to monday.com. This process is quick and should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by downloading your Google Sheet as an Excel file. Open your Google Sheet, go to the top left corner of the page and click on File. Then scroll down to Download and select Microsoft Excel. This will save a copy of your Google Sheet as an Excel file on your computer. Doing this conversion is crucial because monday.com supports direct imports of Excel files, and this means you won't have to go through additional data transformation steps later. Next, open monday.com in your web browser. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the workspace where you'd like your new board to be. Workspaces in monday.com function similarly to folders, helping you keep your projects organized. Make sure to select the right workspace to avoid any confusion later on. In the workspace view, look towards the top left section of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Plus New Board. Click on this to create a fresh board. Think of a board as a centralized location for all the information from your Google Sheet that you'll be importing and working with. After clicking New Board, you'll be presented with a few different options. Find the Import section, and here you should select Excel CSV. This is where the Excel file format you saved your Google Sheet in will come into play, enabling a seamless import process. Now it's time to upload your Excel file into monday.com. Click on Upload and select the Excel file you downloaded from Google Sheets. The platform will guide you through selecting the file from your device's storage. Just open the respective folder, click on the file, and confirm the upload prompt. Once your file has been uploaded, there's one final step. Click Import. This action will finalize the process, creating your board within monday.com with all the data from your Google Sheet. You might see a preview window before the import finishes where you can make final checks or amendments to ensure everything looks as it should, and there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to monday.com by importing your data as an Excel file. This integration can significantly improve how you manage projects and collaborate with your team. Remember, the more organized your data is before actioning these steps, the smoother the transition. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with monday.com.